Harvest like a pro, mastering the perfect garden layout. Always place your taller plants on the north side of the garden bed. These would be the plants like tomatoes. Tomatoes can be grown on a trellis or a cage. Another tall plant is cucumber. Cucumbers are available in hundreds of varieties. Of course, corn is going to be very tall. Placing tall plants on the north side means the lower plants won't be shaded out. Eggplant is a prolific, low-growing plant. Broccoli also a low grower. And cabbage is a low-growing plant that takes up a lot of space. The more space taken by vegetables, the less room there is for weeds. Finally, measure out the proper distance between plants before planting. Fortunately, all of that information is found on the back of your seed packet. So place your tall plants on the north and your lower plants on the south to allow the sun to reach the entire crop.